Hello. In this video, you will learn how to restrict navigation within eLearning. By default, learners can view slides in any order they choose, but you can restrict or lock navigation to prevent learners from skipping ahead. Here's how. Click the Additional Options button, the gear icon, below the menu. Use the Navigation Restrictions drop-down list to choose one of these options. Restricted. Learners can view the current and previous slides, but they can't skip ahead using the course menu. Locked. Learners can only view slides in order. They can't skip or revisit slides using the course menu. If you want to lock the player navigation buttons, mark the corresponding box to Lock Next and Previous buttons. Click OK when you're done to close the menu options. To restrict the seek bar, navigate to Player, Features, Player Controls, Seek Bar. There you'll find options for Seek Bar is Read Only and Allow Drag after completion. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.